gagawin mo ngayon, Sisi? Guys, so ano yung natutunan mo? Yeah, I guess we're ready for tomorrow. Namin siya for 30 minutes. May 21 minutes pa po. Tingnan natin kung ano ang mangyayari mamaya. In-apply lang namin lahat ng mga gain naming information. So, eto na siya. Ito na yung first session ng bleaching. So, napapansin nyo guys, hindi even yung pagkaka-apply. Since, syempre, as a newbie, takot pa kami i-risk masyado. According sa friend namin, sabi niya, kung gusto ko pa daw mag-bleach ng pangalawang session, dapat daw 2 to 3 days after. Hindi ina-advise na the same day ka mag-bleach. Hi guys! So, second bleaching session na namin ngayon. And, ito yung naging results sa first time na pag-bleach namin. Hindi siya even, pero it's fine. Hopefully, mahabol namin sa second session yung color. Like, ganito. The lighter one. Ayun. Understandable naman since very careful yung kapatid ko maglagay. And, hindi niya masyadong niris. So, it's okay lang for me. And now, titingnan natin kung ano yung mangyayari sa hair ko after ko mag-bleach for second session. So, yung process po na pag-bleach namin ulit is the same lang nung last time na ginawa namin. So, ayan guys, medyo humahapdi na siya ng slight. Pero hindi naman sobrang hapdi.
Bakit kaya ang mga tao gusto nila lagi ang nasasaktan?
Sumasakit na siya.
Hindi na ako nabigyan careful.
Sabi nila, the more na ma-update daw, the more na effective.
Sana totoo. Effective naman siya kasi nakaka-down ka pa dyan.
Where's the pain?
Where's the pain? Where's the pain?
Hindi, very good.
binababad ko na siya for 15 minutes. No first bleaching session ko, 30 minutes ko siya binabad. Then, ngayon, 15 minutes naman. Check na natin kung okay pa yung buhok ko. So, okay pa naman siya. Okay pa naman. So, ayan na siya. Nagla-lighter na siya! By the way, guys, it doesn't matter kung ano yung gamitin nyo. Like, pwede shower cap, pwede cellophane, as long as makover yung hair. If you can't afford naman to buy the shower cup, then okay, may plastic naman, diba? We can always have an alternative. So, we'll see if anong mangyayari later. Okay, so, time is up na. 15 minutes is done. So, check natin kung okay pa yung hair ko. Oh my God! So, ito na siya. So, okay. Babalikan ko kayo after ko i-rinse to with water and shampoo and conditioner. So, ito yung ginamit kong Beachborn. One is for the purple shampoo and then purple conditioner. So, tara! Hi guys! So, ito na. After ko yung purple shampoo, ito na yung naging result ng hair. Next week, saka na ako magta-touch ng final color na gusto ko sa hair ko. So, abangan nyo guys. Hi guys! So, yun. As you can see, medyo nag-lighter siya compared sa naging result nung after ko talaga second bleach. So, I don't know if dahil ba to sa purple shampoo or what. Pero, yun, it's good for me. Hopefully, ma-achieve ko yung gusto kong kulay. And, eto yun. Yung light ash blonde. Yung magiging outcome nito is so, we'll see if effective siya sa akin. Second bleach ko pa lang to. And hopefully it works. So, tara! So, ito na guys. After namin i-mix, don't forget your towel guys. Or kahit na ano yan, anything. So, let's start! Wear your gloves. Hi guys! Tapos na namin i-apply sa hair ko. And nag-start kami kanina around something 1:30 to 2. And ngayon, 3:24 na. Bababad ko to for 45 minutes or maximum na siguro yung 1 hour. And later, we'll see if ano yung magiging result nito. So, abangan nyo guys. Abangan ko rin. So, ayun na guys. Time is up. And, i-rinse ko na siya. We'll see if ano ang mangyayari. Good morning! And ito na yung naging result ng pag-hair color ko kagabi. And hindi na ako naka-video last night since it was really late na din. And I made sure na makikita nyo yung result with natural light. So, ayan siya. So far, satisfied ako. And I would highly recommend this one. The Beachborn Purple Shampoo and Conditioner. Kasi, based sa na-experience ko, I haven't tried the other brands. Pero, so far, yung satisfaction ko, yung level of satisfaction ko, sobrang na-meet niya. Siya mabigat sa hair. Like, for me, as a newbie and not really a risk taker with bleaching, since first time ko tong ginawa sa buong buhay ko and nag-DIY pa ako. By the way, kapag nag-mix kayo ng bleach, 'di ba 2:1, 2 cups of developer, tapos 1 cup of please do add water. Kahit konti lang, like 1/4 cup. Kasi, aside from it helps to spread evenly the bleaching powder, it helps you then to achieve the softer lightening effect sa hair nyo. Tapos, mapiprevent nyo pa yung harsh transition ng color. So, sobrang helpful siya, guys. So, yun lang yung mabibigay kong advice as a newbie. Kasi, as a result naman ng hair ko, sobrang satisfied naman ako. And, I haven't encountered any problem when I was doing it. Better, seek professional advice. If you like this video, guys, don't forget to comment, like, and share. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Bye!